Nighttime chores. We have a lot of things that we need to do in the nighttime. Here's one of the chicken tractors. So we like to take the food away for 12 hours on, 12 hours off. So I need to take their food away, give them new clean water, and then also move them so they have fresh grass to pick at during the night. We're also setting up a couple of sprinklers on a couple of the gardens because it's nighttime. I prefer to water in the morning, but there's so much to water, and it's been very dry out, so nighttime it is. Time to go feed the pigs. Are you guys waiting for dinner? Alright, we're going to feed you now. I'm going to get the slop out.